I just want to show how you are able to type what your student tells you on this Follow the Rules poster. So when you go to the assignment, you click on the cause and effects boxes at the bottom, and it will pop up a text box. Once that text box pops up, you will see all of this up here. Because it disappears when I am not in the text box. But as soon as I click it, all of these options up here pop up. So what I recommend, just because the writing on this poster is in black ink, I would recommend coming up here to where you can change to the letter A, where you can change the text color. And I would choose a color that would stand out. I think red is probably a good color. And you'd have to change it on each one that you do. So as soon as I type in this text box and I finish, I will have to go here and see it will go back to black. So I'd have to come here and change that text color to red. And then I could type red in this box. And you'd have to do that every time you change to another text box. So what I'm going to do is, once my child tells me the cause and effect after we've read the poster, I will type in the cause and the effect that my child tells me from reading the poster. And remember to remind your student to look for the signal words. And signal words are words that help identify the cause and effect. And just to show you real quick, I just clicked to the bottom. Well, you can start, like when you click in the box, it's going to type over the cause. But if I don't want to type over the word cause, so I'm just going to move my cursor so that I'm right after the word cause. And the first cause and effect that I will type is, my cause is if you wear a helmet. So let's say my child told me, oh, if you wear a helmet. And of course, you will have to guide your child into finding the cause and effect, because it is a comprehension skill and that can be a little difficult, especially in kindergarten. Okay, so if you wear a helmet is in the cause. And so then I would just come to the effect, and I don't want to type over the word effect, so I'll come to the end of it. And the effect is, then you will stay safe on a bicycle. So I'll type then. Let's say my child told me that. Maybe I helped my child figure that out, but my child come to the conclusion of the cause is if you wear a helmet, and the effect is then you will stay safe on a bicycle. And we figured that out because we did find a signal word there. Then. All right, then you will stay safe on a bicycle. Or if your child if you feel comfortable letting your child type, you can point and show them how they would type this part for the cause and this part for the effect. That will just take a lot longer to complete the assignment if you do it that way. So I would recommend in kindergarten for the parent to type what the child tells them the cause and effect is. Okay, so I went ahead and typed in the answers, and of course there are 5 causes and effects, but there's only 4 boxes, so you just have to list 4, not all 5. But this is how I would, when you finish, this is what it would look like. And of course, when you finish with this, it automatically saves it, but you do have to go up here to click the X to go back to the Google Classroom, and then you would have to, I think I should have clicked view assignment, and you would check, make sure that it showed up, And it did. So now I'm ready to turn in. So click the X, click turn in, and turn in again. And so then I will be able to see your students' work.